How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet connection. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily fix if your Wi-Fi is connected but there is no internet connection. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open up your control center from here. Just tap on it and go ahead and turn on your airplane mode. Once you toggle your airplane mode on, you just have to leave it as it is for around 10 seconds. Then you'll just have to turn it off and then turn on your Wi-Fi back again. Now, once you have done that, the second step is to actually go ahead and right click on your Wi-Fi signal and then click on Network and Internet Settings. And after you've done that, head over to System on your settings. And then once you do that, scroll down until you see Troubleshoot and head over to Other Troubleshooters. And you're just going to go ahead and run a troubleshoot on network and internet. And if there are any running issues, the computer will have an option to fix itself. Now, after that, you just want to head over to network and internet. Then you just scroll down until you see Advanced Network Settings. And here you have an option to network reset. So you'll just have to reset all of your network settings and your PC, you should restart your PC and your problem should be fixed. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.